Hey everyone, glad you're here. In today's video, we're going to show you how to clear conversations on the Snapchat app using your Android phone. This is useful if you want to delete specific chats from your list without deleting the whole app or blocking anyone. Let's get right into it. First, open the Snapchat app from your home screen. Next, tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner. Now tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open your Snapchat settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Clear Conversation section. Tap on it. You'll now see a list of all your recent conversations. These are chats you've had with friends or groups. To clear a specific chat, simply tap the X icon next to the name of the person or group you want to remove from the list. Snapchat will ask for confirmation. Tap Clear to confirm. The conversation will now be removed from your chat feed. Repeat this for any other chats you'd like to clear.